The I-4 Ultimate project has seen major improvements all along the entire 21-mile corridor. Not only has the I-4 Maitland Boulevard interchange been redesigned, but Maitland Boulevard itself, from Hope Road to State Road 434, has been reconstructed. Several new ramps and auxiliary lanes provide easier access to Maitland Boulevard, Lake Destiny Road, Keller Road, Maitland Summit Boulevard, and Sandspur Road. In addition to having new free-flowing ramps to enter and exit the interstate, Maitland Boulevard is now elevated over Lake Destiny Road, Keller Road, and Maitland Summit Boulevard. By elevating the roadway, traffic on Maitland Boulevard is separated from traffic on the local roads, eliminating the need to stop at traffic signals. And a pedestrian bridge over I-4 from Wymore Road to Lake Destiny Road connects neighborhoods and provides pedestrians and bicyclists a safe walkway over the interstate. To learn more, visit i4ultimate.com.